This is an Asus eeepc 900A that we got on sale from Loot. Originally it had 1 gig of RAM and a very slow 4 gig SSD card with Xandros. My hardware upgrades were 2 gigs of RAM, a much faster 16 gig SSD card, which I installed Ubuntu Karmic Koala 9.10, the desktop image. Not the netbook remix, the desktop image. And then an eGalax touchscreen from Deal Extreme. Now the touchscreen mod was very tricky as far as the hardware install, but that's addressed on other sites. Once Karmic was installed, I installed the AVI touch driver from the repo, but dragging didn't work, which was such a drag. To get dragging to work, I had to patch and rebuild the driver. Just Google buttonless driver patch and buttonless device patch, and you should find what you need. I also edited the how rules, but that might not be necessary. When using the calibrate tool, which is under System Administration Calibrate Touchscreen, even if you're going to use the stylus, I use my finger, and I think I had a little bit better results. Under Firefox, I installed the Grab and Drag Firefox add-on, which pretty much lets you do, see the little hand? It lets you do like PDFs. And I also installed a Cell Writer, which is a handwriting recognition. Now this is, you have to train it, which takes a while, but once you do, you can write things in, hit enter, let's hide that, and then go to your website, and from there with your little hand you can just scroll around like you do on a PDF, which is really cool. There's also, if you want to do games, if you like solitaire, this is really simple, so you can do that. So just drag and drop things. And one of the coolest things, it's called Exournal, which is under accessories, Exournal, or Zernal, I'm not quite sure how that's pronounced. And then you can make notes. This is a note. Just write directly on your screen. You can erase things if you want. Change colors. You can move things around. So, and then you can save that as a PDF. And then open it in any PDF viewer you want. Oops. You can also edit existing PDFs. Here's a test PDF I did. And note. You can change your colors. Do whatever you want. And then export to PDF. Save. And then there are all the notes you made. So I really like this touchscreen, and it was the hardware isn't that expensive. It was only $50, but the installation was really annoying. So But Karmic works pretty much out of the box, which is really cool with the Wi-Fi and the hotkeys and stuff like that. So that's how I got that to work.